Hello students, this is Shivam, your science teacher. Today is 26th May 2020 and we are studying block 1. You know the name of block 1? The name of block 1 is importance of balanced diet. Today we are going to the next topic of this block, nutrients in food. Okay, so can you tell me what did you eat for dinner yesterday? You think and write. I hope you have written your answer. So your suggested answers will be, some of you have eaten uh, paratha, rice, chapati, dal, curd, vegetables, means different types of food. Okay, can you tell me what do we get from food? So we get nutrients from food. So today we will learn about nutrients in food. So you draw a table. You draw the table like this. Okay. You know there are 5 types of nutrients. Do you know why do we need these nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, mineral and fats? Yes, the nutrients help us to grow and stay healthy. So we need nutrients. Okay, so the next question is, do you know what is the function of each nutrient? Okay, I tell. The function of carbohydrate is it gives us energy. Protein help us to grow and build muscles. And the function of vitamin is it protects us from disease. And the function of minerals is it also protects us from disease. And the function of fats is it gives us energy. Do you know which foods are rich in each of these nutrients. You can see like bread, cereals, pulses, banana are rich in carbohydrates. Pulse, milk, fish, and meat are rich in proteins. Fruits, milk, vegetable are rich in vitamins and minerals. Oils, sweets are rich in fats. We get carbohydrate and fat from cereals, grain, oil, butter, sweet, and chocolates. Okay, too much of these food like carbohydrate and fats. If we are eating too much, so the foods can make us obese, like carbohydrates and fats make us obese. Protein help us in growing strong. Now, vitamins and minerals. Vegetables, fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. Both these type of nutrients protect us from infection and prevent us from falling ill. You can see now each nutrient have special quality. So all the nutrients are necessary for our health. You know about water. It is also important. So can you tell me which food group would water fall into? Means in which food group you will keep water? So we cannot say what category water fall into. Means in carbohydrate, in protein, in vitamin, in mineral, or in fats. It is very important for us because it help us to digest our food and remove the waste from our body as urine and sweat. And every adult should drink at least 7 to 8 glass of water every day. So this was all about nutrients in food. So you do your sheet number 2, and your work is practice question number 3 and 4 in notebook. Have a good day. Thank you.